Which among the following is a wrong statement? Option A, mosaic disease in tobacco and AIDS in human being are caused by virus. This is a true statement. The mosaic disease in tobacco is caused by the tobacco mosaic virus, and AIDS in human are caused by the HIV virus. That is a human immunodeficiency virus. So that means option A is an incorrect answer. Option B, the viroids were discovered by Ivanovsky. This is not true. The viroids were first discovered and given the name by Theodor Otto Daner, who was a plant pathologist and he worked at the Agricultural Research Center in Maryland. So that means option B is the correct answer because this is a wrong statement. Option C, Stanley showed that the viruses could be crystallized. This is also true statement because in 1935, Stanley crystallized the tobacco mosaic virus, which helped in the understanding of the nature of viruses. So that means option C is also incorrect. Coming to option D, the term contagium vivum fluidum was coined by Bejernik. This is also true, which makes option D an incorrect answer. So the correct answer is option B, which is a wrong statement.